Video 3 for you is pick an avatar. So I'll explain that real briefly. What I want you to do is if this ever happens, and it happens frequently, all you have to do is look at the tabs and close down the right one. Very important. Close down the one that's open, and George's Dojo is still here. So in other words, you're still in it. If you lose your spot, just go back to the original link and come back, okay? So here we go. You're in and you want to pick an avatar. Along the top, there's all these different avatars, and here I am, Captain Lean, and here's Joanne, my wife, Captain Lean. I made her Captain Lean too, just to be cognizant. So there we go. I'm gonna pick, I like Wolverine, and look, Wolverine is locked down. So when I hit this, I should right click and unlock to access any avatar that's locked. Anything that's locked, you can unlock it and then drag it to the table that you want to go to. So I'm going to take Wolverine, and as I move through the different areas, I'm going to say, look, we're going to start at workstation 1, or here's where we are. Maybe I'm the engineer. Engineer number 1 is closest to workstation 1, and engineer number 2 is closest to workstation 6. So as I travel, being Wolverine, I'm going to move them around, and I'd like you to try every one of these work elements for each of the stations. Next, go to putting your name down. Okay. I think we're starting with engineer number 1 later, so I'm going to move Wolverine to this area here, because that's where we're going to start next. Oh, look, this is a problem. So one of the first things, again, is you got to figure out, this is a real problem, is you got to send stuff to the back. Things will be in front of other things. So send this to the back, which is the table, then lock this table down, and this table's now locked. It won't move, which means you can click and hold and move stuff around to navigate, or, you know, go to your percent, and then I could find Wolverine right there. In the bottom right corner, there's a little navigation again, and I could zoom in and out. So you want to zoom in and out. I also have for myself a mouse with a roller, so I can kind of zoom in quickly. Okay, good. Back to my Wolverine avatar. I want to put my name. It says lock in your name, and all we're going to do is travel down here, and for everything that you see here, all you do is open the link. Rather than giving you one big video, I've cut it up. So video 4 and so on, keep on going down the right, and that's where the videos will be contained. So first thing I want to do is lock in my name. What does that mean? I got Wolverine here, and I'm going to move Wolverine, and I'm going to lock him down by going right click, lock, and now I want to type my name on the left hand side. There's all this stuff I want you to play with. But this one here says text, important, and I'm just going to click. Now I could have done it differently. This came out right here when I clicked. It's a problem sometimes, so please see if you can do it differently. I'm going to press Control Z to undo. Oh, and undo again, and undo again, and it's gone. I want you to drag. So instead of clicking, get in the habit of click and hold and drag it onto the screen so you don't lose sight of where anything is. I'm going to type my name, George. That's 1. Number 2, I'm going to click it again and pick a white background. I could pick any color, but picking white, good. And I'm going to now rotate this. How do I do that? I'm going to zoom in. There we go. Rotate this. Zoom out, put it in front, and last thing I'm doing here is, oh, my avatar is locked in, but my name's not, so I'm going to lock my name in. There we go. This is engineer number 1 because he's closest or she's closest to workstation 1. Go to the next one.